This is tonight's dinner experience. Holy hell. The rain in Siem Reap. So I'm by myself at this local mom and pop's Cambodian shop. I only walked about 10 meters to get here. I only live next door. But my accommodation weren't selling food today. Their restaurant was closed. The worst day to be closed. I cannot. It's horrible. I mean, check out this rain. This is the worst rain since I've been in Siem Reap. I've been here 2 weeks. This is the worst rain. It's horrible. And it's at dinner time. But anyway, this is about the charm of traveling, these unexpected moments.